Hello! For our Technova project, Jillian and I created FlappyLingo. We will start off with introducing the game, then we will show you the demo, how it's made, and then how we are moving forward with this project if we are able to. So what is FlappyLingo? Well, it is a sign language learning platform integrated into Flappy Bird. You'll be able to access the game on your own iOS device in an app. You have to jump by making the corresponding phrases detailed in ASL. We will show you the demo and that will explain much more. But why would you ever want to learn ASL? Well, you'll be able to understand those close to you who are hard of hearing, you'll be learning a new language and a new skill, and you'll enjoy a newfound community of people.
Here is a short demo of our project. So how did we exactly build this? Well, we used several APIs and modules that were installed with pip. We used the MediaPipe API to detect gestures and generate the hand skeleton. We used the Pygame module to create the actual Flappy Bird game. And then we used sklearn for the KNN or K nearest neighbors model to train the custom generated data. And then we used Pickle to compile that data. Expanding further on the actual training of the model for sign language is we use the hand landmark model of the MediaPipe API to get specific locations of key points of the hand in the image. And these points were then used as features to be inputted into our KNN or K nearest neighbors model that is trained on data that we generated ourselves. And then the player would move up and down based on these sign languages. For syncing the different gestures with the actual bird, we listed if the sign is this. If it is correct, then the Flappy Bird will go through the pipe. Otherwise, the Flappy Bird will teleport to the bottom and die immediately. We then continued on with Python to create the application interface for the welcome and options screen that we drew ourselves. So moving forward, well, obviously is improving the application or the game's interface, make it so that it is prettier, more interactive, and actually on an iOS platform like we intended to do. And then secondly, we need to add more sign language gestures because we only have a few this time due to the time constraint. We could have added the entire alphabet. And then we could also, instead of just doing basic sign languages, we could do phrases or numbers, etc. And then we thank you very much for listening to our video.